Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking. I am Kalpana. Holiday season is over. Many of us are feeling very guilty of eating too much festive food and gaining weight. It's okay to indulge once in a while. So today I am going to show you how to make a concoction. It's a Kashayam in Tamil. It's very good for us, very simple and easy to make. It clears your system. It's like a detoxification. So please join me. Let's start making. We need cumin seeds, black pepper, coriander seeds. This is dry ginger powder. If you don't have the ginger powder, you can use the grated ginger. Fresh ones are also okay. This is omam or Ajwain, turmeric powder. This is, in Telugu we call vellam. In Tamil it's pana vellam. If you don't have this, it's fine. You can use some jaggery or brown sugar. Both are good. You also need some water. So here I have the pot. Once it's hot, so I'm just going to dry roast them. I'm just adding in the cumin seeds first and the black pepper, followed by the coriander seeds and the omam. You just dry roast it for few minutes or until they have a crackling sound. All the spices has lots of medicinal values. For example, cumin is good for digestion. Omam is good for blocked nose, asthma. Pepper is good for your heart. So all these are good for us. So now, as you can see, they are popping up nicely. You can get the nice aroma from the spices also. We are also going to add the ginger powder. Ginger powder is also very good for arthritis and for bloatedness all. So each and every ingredient is very good for our body. See, they have roasted well, nicely. At this stage, just reduce the flame and add some water. You can add 2 cups of water. Now I'm also going to add in the dry ginger powder and the turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is also very good. You just mix it and let it boil. Once it starts to boil, reduce the flame and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. It's been simmering for 15 minutes now. I'm just going to add in the jaggery. Let it melt. And our concoction is ready. I'm just going to filter it and it's ready. So I'm just going to filter. If you want more, you can always add some more water. You can add hot water, very little amount of hot water, and then pour it. So our Kashayam is ready. This is very good when you consume first thing in the morning. So after consuming, don't eat anything, no breakfast for another half an hour. Then you can have your breakfast. So do try this at home and post your comments. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.